I'd like to go over the calorie worksheet I created in Microsoft Excel. It's based on the Harris-Benedict Equation, which I got from Burn the Fat, Feed the Muscle by Tom Venuto. The chapter that has the formula is Understanding Calories. So in the Kindle edition, it's on page 365. On the hardcover, it starts on page 123. So what we can see here is the Harris-Benedict equation for men and for women. That's the first step, is to determine your basic metabolic rate. Step 2 is to choose your activity level multiplier. And step 3 is to calculate your maintenance level, your total daily energy expenditure. I'm going to go over that in detail in the Excel worksheet that I created. Here is my calorie worksheet in Microsoft Excel. So I start off by pulling in the Harris-Benedict equation for reference. I created a table of the formula factors, I call them, but basically the key things that we need to know and to input are what our weight is in kilograms, what our height is in centimeters, and our age. So if I select this cell here, you can see that I used all of those factors above to calculate the basic metabolic rate. There's the formula up there. Once we have the BMR calculated, we determine our total daily energy expenditure by using one of these multipliers. That's step 2. So for me, for now, I have lightly active, which would multiply my BMR times 1.375 to determine my TDEE. So the next step is to calculate what is the calorie deficit that we want to have. I chose 35%. I'm a little on the heavy side. I think I can afford to be a little bit more aggressive, slightly more aggressive, and that's what I'm going to do. I'll monitor it and see how my weight loss journey goes, and I will make adjustments as necessary. So for me, my total calorie deficit per day is 1,024 calories. So my net daily calorie that I'm going to target is 1,902. And the other thing I calculated was I know that I want to have protein at 175.6 grams because that's my target weight, and you want to set your grams of protein to your target weight. And I also know that I want 125 grams of carbohydrates, and no more than that, which leaves 77.7 grams for fat. The other thing I want to mention is that the Harris-Benedict equation was modified by Mifflin in 1990 because Mifflin believed that our lifestyles have changed significantly since the Harris-Benedict equation was determined in 1918 and 1919. So that's it. Very simple. Calculating out my BMR and my TDEE, and then what my calorie goal is. Hope your journey is going well, and have a great day. Goodbye.